And you read your mail? Are you going to put it down? Elizabeth! Show Mommy, where's your belly? Very good. Where's your mouth? I can't see. Look at Mama. Look at Mama, Elizabeth. Where's your mouth? Good girl. Where's your nose? Nose. Good girl. Where's your pineapple? Nose. Where's your... There it is. Who's my smart girl? What do you say? You say, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. You sing it for Mommy? Yeah, Bob the Builder. Is that your post? Yeah? Get anything interesting? You want to climb in your chair and show everybody how you sit in your chair? No, first we got to check the empty envelopes and make sure nothing exciting happened today that we missed. Yeah. You sit up in your chair, show Mommy how you rock. How do those envelopes taste, huh? Will they pass the test? Alright, who's going to sit in your chair? Mommy put Bunny in your chair, if you're not going to go in. Mommy put your bunny in? There we go. Bunny sit in the chair. Let me show everybody Bunny in the chair. Yay, Bunny! You in the rocking chair? Aw, you giving Bunny some rocks? Yeah. Nice rockin', Bunny. Nice rockin'. Aw, you give him big hugs? Give him a kiss? Give Bunny big kisses? Yeah? Aw, big hugs for Bunny. Yeah? Oh. Oh dear. Dear. Rock Bunny, rock Bunny. Hiya. Hiya. Yeah. That's Mommy's knee, yeah. Okay, I don't think we'll get you in the chair this time. We'll have to do it tomorrow. Bye, everybody. You say bye-bye? You wave bye? Bye. Aww. Aww. Kisses from your bunny. Oh. You give them to Daddy? Here you are, Daddy. Bye.